and welcome to the kitchen here in the Little Red Schoolhouse. We're so excited to host you this Friday for our upcoming wreath workshop. And today we're going to show you how to make beautiful sparkling citrus slices that we're going to attach to our wreaths on Friday. So we are heating our oven to 200 degrees and we're gonna go ahead and slice these. Sliced a couple oranges. I love the grapefruit. So we're slicing some grapefruit now. All right guys, now I'm adding some crystallized sugar just on one side. And we are moving them over to a wire rack. All right guys, so we've got these sliced, we put crystallized sugar on top, and now these guys are gonna go in the oven at 200 for 4 hours to dehydrate. All right, here we go. All right, mamas, here they are. We sprinkled these little guys with sugar, and this is the finished product.